All right, let's dive right into this explainer where we're going to unpack the incredible opportunities waiting for you at MNS-UET this fall 2026. Look, if you've been searching for an academic path that perfectly blends cutting-edge technology with real-world sustainability, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know about their latest admissions cycle, focusing on how you can take your passion for science and turn it into a highly impactful career.
We're going to distill the absolute essential details from a couple of newly released university flyers to help you visualize exactly how you can shape a sustainable, high-tech career. First, we'll look at the broader Department of Chemical Engineering and Technology, and then we'll pivot to a specialized focus on their really fascinating food engineering program. Instead of just reading blocks of text, we're using these visual blueprints to decode exactly what this institution brings to the table.
So, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Building your engineering future. 2. Chemical Engineering Department overview. 3. A spotlight on what food engineering is. 4. Your future career opportunities. And 5. Application details and deadlines.
Let's jump right into Section 1, exploring the Department of Chemical Engineering and Technology.
Now, what's really fascinating here is the full academic ladder they offer. It ranges all the way from bachelor's to PhD programs, complete with those absolutely crucial PEC and NTC approvals. They aren't just offering one or two isolated classes. This is a comprehensive ecosystem. You've got BSc options in chemical engineering, food engineering, and chemical engineering technology. And those vital Pakistan Engineering Council and National Technology Council accreditations, that ensures your degree holds serious, real-world weight. Add in environmental sciences and post-grad options, and you can clearly see a pathway from your very first day as an undergrad straight up to the highest levels of academic research.
And look, these programs aren't just about sitting in a lecture hall absorbing theory. They boast a massive research and innovation culture backed by modern laboratories and actual pilot plants. Engineering is a hands-on discipline, right? You can't just read about chemical reactions or food preservation, you literally have to do it. By emphasizing an experienced PhD faculty and a heavily industry-oriented curriculum, MNS-UET is basically saying they are preparing you for the actual day-to-day demands of the chemical, food, and energy industries. You're getting practical, tested experience. Moving on to Section 2, Spotlight. What is food engineering? Engineering the food of today for a better tomorrow. You might actually be asking yourself right now how engineering principles intersect with, well, what's on your dinner plate? It's super easy to picture a chemical engineer at a massive oil refinery, but where on earth does an engineer fit into the agricultural and food landscape?
Basically, food engineers are the innovators who design the processes and equipment necessary to convert raw ingredients into safe, nutritious, high-quality food products. Think about the journey of a tomato, from sitting in a field to becoming a bottled sauce that can safely sit on a supermarket shelf for months without losing its nutritional value. That does not happen by accident. It requires incredibly precise engineering to manage preservation, ensure strict safety standards, and scale up processing so millions of people can be fed efficiently. By choosing this PEC-approved pathway, you are stepping up to provide sustainable solutions for global food security. The core mission here is to shape the future of food and, honestly, to nourish the world. The program is designed to empower you to solve some of the absolute most pressing sustainability challenges we face today. It's this really powerful blend, right? Heavy industry concepts meeting vital human needs, meaning you learn to innovate while directly impacting human lives. You are standing right at the intersection of hard science, the engineering and the innovation side, and critical consumer protection, the processing and safety side. Learning to optimize modern food processing in pilot plant labs translates into a direct, tangible impact on public health.
Let's look ahead to Section 3, your future career opportunities. Where exactly will food engineering take you? With this specialized degree, you could find yourself landing a highly impactful role in anything from product development to strict food regulatory services anywhere in the world. The options are incredibly diverse. You could be on a massive manufacturing floor overseeing production runs. You could be in a pristine lab focusing on quality assurance. Or, if you lean towards the creative side, you could be in research and development, actually inventing the next generation of sustainable, plant-based foods.
Or, if you've got a totally different vision, you're perfectly positioned to launch your own startup, manage complex food logistics, or continue down a pathway to higher academic studies.
The curriculum is heavily designed to foster entrepreneurship. If you have an idea for a revolutionary new food preservation method, this gives you the exact toolkit you need to build that business. And we can't forget supply chain logistics. Moving food safely across the globe is literally one of the most complex engineering challenges of our time.
All right, let's get into the logistics in Section 4, Application Details and Deadlines. How to build your future here.
Everything you need to apply online for fall 2026 is hosted at admission.mnsuet.edu.pk, and they've even provided direct WhatsApp and phone lines for your specific questions. I absolutely love how accessible this is. Whether you prefer to shoot an email to admissions@mnsuet.edu.pk or just send a quick WhatsApp message to clarify a detail about your transcripts, the department has made sure the friction to apply is just as low as possible.
But here is the crucial detail, the number 30. As in July 30, 2026, which is the absolute last day to apply for this fall intake. Mark it on your calendar, set an alarm on your phone, put a sticky note on your mirror. All that amazing laboratory access, the PhD faculty, the potential startup opportunities, none of it happens if you miss this deadline. July 30th is the gateway.
So, as we wrap up this explainer on transforming ideas into sustainable solutions, I want you to ask yourself, are you ready to become part of the next generation of engineers? To take your big ideas and turn them into the sustainable solutions the world desperately needs right now? The Department of Chemical Engineering and Technology at MNS-UET has laid out the path, they've built the labs, and they've assembled the faculty. The only missing variable in this entire equation is you. So what will you choose to innovate?